videos mostly about travel and cooking, and I go on the occasional rant, but it has been very low-key lately because we just left Barbados and we are currently in the States. We're gonna be here for like a month, and then we're going back home to Canada finally, so we're in this like kind of weird transition period. But I'm posting the last of our Barbados videos, so if you're interested in those, stay tuned. They'll be up in the next week or two. And then yeah, we'll have a little bit of stuff about the States maybe, depending on what we end up doing, because obviously there's still not a whole bunch of recreation happening these days, but you never know. We are in the desert, so there's lots of places to be far away from people, you know? And the climate's a bit different in the States, let me tell ya. Anyways, that's not really important. What's important is I just spent way too much money on GoPro accessories, and not brand name GoPro, because if you know anything about me, I don't like to spend money, and GoPro can be a little bit pricey. And so I'm slowly starting to get to the point where I know, like, if you pay more money, you are paying for quality. So I'm getting there. It's slow baby steps. But what I basically ended up doing was buying a 61 pack of accessories for GoPro, and some extra batteries, and a little case for it. So I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna unbox this. Maybe one day GoPro will sponsor me. My GoPro underwater video got like 3,000 views for my channel. That is a large amount of views. So I don't know, people might stumble on this and be like, what's happening? Maybe not, because it's literally just me opening this package and not really doing much with it, but that is to come. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, I like to try to play around with my GoPro as much as I can, especially since I started this channel. It has been good incentive to actually like learn some cool videoing techniques. We're a little baby channel over here on YouTube, but we have a good time, so welcome. Thanks for being here, and we can finally begin. So, first one. I think these are the silicone cases. I might need scissors, as it turns out. No, we good. These, I got these for like $9 American. They're just like to kind of go around the GoPro and just cover it. There's no like glass or anything. I already have screen protectors. I don't think I mentioned this, but I have the GoPro Hero 8 Black, and I love it. It's one of the best purchases I've ever made. The photos are such good quality, and I can't wait to keep using it this summer in my neck of the woods in good old Canada, true north, strong and free. Wow, it's so soft. I love this texture. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really pleasant. Sorry, I've been chugging water. We had kind of a big like late lunch. I keep doing this to myself. I just overeat and then I feel weird, and yeah, it's rather unfortunate, but anyways, here we are. Really love the food in the States, let me tell ya. There. All right, so we're all strapped in here with a little silicone cover. So just a bit of extra protection, even though I haven't really had many issues with that. So knock on wood, let's not start today. Side note, there was a bunch of other stuff that I ordered off Amazon. It wasn't GoPro related, but the amount, okay, so it was like 6 items that I ordered. The amount of plastic that came in this, like, it's a good thing I don't really buy anything ever, because I'd start to feel very guilty about turtles dying or something. Won't hurt anybody to reduce some plastic consumption around here. And moving on to the batteries. This was about $40 American for these extra batteries, and a charging box, case for the charging box. This is cool. And so here's one of the batteries. Now I certainly hope it has the other 2 batteries in here, because this was supposed to come with 3 extra batteries. Oh, I think I know what it is. There's 2 batteries in this, I think. Yeah, 2 batteries in here, and then the 1 extra battery out here. So this is a whole charging station, and it comes with a cable. So now, because the GoPro came with 2 batteries, I'm gonna have 5, which will be good, because what we're hoping is to do some hikes at the Grand Canyon. Both Sean and I have been to America quite a few times. Most Canadians have. In particular, I've been to Phoenix like probably, for sure, over a dozen times, and I've never been to the Grand Canyon, which is just astounding to me. And neither is Sean, so we are gonna try to get up to the Grand Canyon. So this is where you put the batteries. Hooray! This is what the battery looks like. Well, I guess I just am gonna have to plug that in eventually. I don't really know, like, these must be covers for the lenses and stuff, I guess. I'm overwhelmed. There's a lot of things happening here. I'm gonna try to keep everything organized and separate, so. Question mark? It has a suction cup on it. I have no idea. This is how overwhelmed I am with just a few items. And then this came with more lens protector, which as I mentioned, I already have, but I guess those are good to have extras of. One kind of is falling off, but it's not been an issue as of yet. So many things. I don't love all the waste happening here. Wow. Said it came with a carrying case. It sure as hell did. It's big. It's like the size of a laptop case. This is my head. My head compared to the case. Amazing. Okay, so this is yet another whole flippin' landfill full of plastic. Can we not do better? I just don't think it's that hard to not use this much plastic, but what do I know? So this comes with a bunch of mounts. Here's some of the things that hold the mounts to the camera. This is a clip-on mount. Oh my god, and it is stiff as all hell. I have to use 2 hands for this. So I think the purpose of this is to clip it on, like, I'm pretty sure people have said they put them on hats sometimes, which reminds me, I left my hat out in the garage. Lots of these things, little like mounts that you use stickers to stick on things like stand-up paddle boards, kayaks, etc. Here we've got a wrist strap, I believe. What? This must come with something else because it doesn't like, there's no like clicky thing. Confused. I have no idea what this is, so that's always good. Here's a bunch of the sticky mount things, so I'll leave those in that bag. More mounts. Oh my god, there's like, this is why there's 40,000 pieces, because there's all these mounts. This one is for handlebars. There's 2 in here, and yeah, it looks like they're for various like handlebar kind of situations, maybe for like pedal bikes and stuff. I don't know. Okay, this for sure is the wrist one. This is what I should have had for scuba diving, I feel. I just had like the dive housing in my floaty handle. Yeah, so then you put the GoPro on. I actually like specifically didn't film this on my GoPro so that I could do this. So yeah, it sits like that. And then you put one of the extra screws in. That's handy. I think that'll be good. It's all a bit stiff. Never know what you're gonna get when you don't actually match the product to the name brand, I suppose. Okay, more screws, plastic mounts, more screws. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Indigestion is real over here. This one I'm very excited for. So it's a suction mount, and so it should be able to like suction to any flat surface. What I'm hoping is it'll suction to the front of the car so that I can mount the GoPro at the front of the car and take like time lapses while we're driving and stuff. It's got an interesting angle changing thing. This must be, yeah, it's got a little clip to suction it. Suction it on so you don't lick stuff and spread germs. Like the C word. All right, moving along, we just have more sticky things. All of the sticky things. Here's like an instruction thing, an installation guide, so Lord knows I'm gonna need that. There is so much stuff in here. This must be the head strap. Oh yeah. Let's test this bad boy out. Just gonna use that. Come on. Can't be that fancy, I guess. Everything is a bit stiff. Oh, also this whole thing was 25 American dollars, so I'm not gonna complain that much about things being stiff. Okay, we should be recording. Gonna need a stabilizer on, that's for sure. Can you tell I haven't been around human beings much lately? It's a sad state of affairs, but not for long. All right, I feel like we're getting down to the good stuff. Here's some more little sticky mount things. I think these are called insurance. They're like extra ones that you put on in case one of the other accessories falls off. Kind of scary, but okay, I think this is the other part of this thing maybe. I'm still trying to figure out what the hell is going on with this. Oh, it's a helmet strap. Okay, so like all of this stuff you can combine. Like I'm overwhelmed. Like this is gonna be a process. There's gonna be the unboxing video, and then there's gonna be the how do we use this stuff video. It'll end up being just like the underwater video where I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm gonna record it for the world to see. This is a chest mount. Kinda cute. It's like what's trending these days in fashion, right? Speaking of which, I got a bum bag from Amazon. That's what like kind of started this whole Amazon binge, is I wanted to get a bum bag. Yeah, because I think it would just be better than my purse, so I bought this travel-on purse before I went to Europe, and it's pickpocket proof, which you can make fun of me all you want. I was almost robbed a few times, and lots of people have made fun of me for my pickpocket purse, so it's fine. It's okay. I don't hate you. Oh, there's like a clip. It's good to know. But anyways, it clearly has been through the ringer a bit because it's now turning blue. Like, you know, when things rust because they've touched salt water. Yeah, it's that. And I bought this back in 2015. So I'm like, you know what? You've done me good, but it's time to get a bum bag. So at some point in my life, I have to be trendy. I can't always look like an average Jane. This is a floaty handle. And an extra wrist strap, which I don't know what it attaches to. But can't lose that. Okay, okay. The screw was specifically put with this, so I'm gonna try to keep that together, I guess, just in case. I don't know what the whole situation there is. It doesn't even screw in. Oh, this is a helmet extension kit. Oh my god, I love this. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. Like, hey, you don't look foolish enough already. Now we're gonna chuck on a helmet extender. This isn't obviously the helmet, but like if you get too close to a branch, this'll fall right off. What is happening? I don't, that's wrong, but okay. Yeah, and then did you hear that neck crack? Ah! Okay, that's fun, good stuff. We're getting down to the actual true reason that I wanted to get this. It looks like there's 2 items left. One looks exactly, it's literally the exact same brand as the selfie stick I'm currently using as a tripod, but I'm gathering that these mounts will attach to this, which is phenomenal. I've needed an extendable selfie stick for the GoPro for quite a while. But the other big thing that I wanted to get my hands on was a tripod, because as you saw in the GoPro video where it was on my head, I'm using a selfie stick taped to a water bottle to film this. So now I have a tripod, and it's one of those ones that has like bendy parts, so it can kind of like, I think they call them an octopus tripod, can attach it to various things. And that's that, believe it or not. We made it through 61 items. Thoroughly enjoyed this though. I haven't actually like sat down and did a talking video in quite a while. I'm hoping to do a little video about like what it was like traveling into the States through an airline, because I didn't know what to expect, but anyways, that'll be for another time. Hope you all are doing well, especially everyone down in Barbados and St. Vincent. There was that massive eruption of the volcano, eruptions, I guess. It's continuing. There's ash everywhere. People are losing their homes, and yeah, it's just not a good situation. So I hope you all are staying safe and that you are well and you are getting the help that you need if you need help. Thanks for watching. It was mostly nonsense per usual, but as promised on my channel, you can always find travel, cooking, nonsense, and the occasional rant.